Good morning everyone. I just woke up and I have an exciting video to film. So today we're going to be working on a vest. Oh my god, my iPad at 1%. Hopefully it doesn't die. So I already started the vest yesterday. I couldn't wait till today, and so I did a few rows. This is going to be the front of the vest. I'm actually doing it color off-white with neon yellow color, so I'm a little bit nervous to see if all the details you're able to see, because it is neon yellow, so I feel like it will have a little bit difficulties, but we'll see how it goes. So front piece is 71 chains, and the back piece is also going to be 71 chains. For the back piece, I'm either going to leave it plain or add this. I cut it off because I needed it to be 50 rows, but this total is 79 rows, which is pretty big for a vest. And we're trying to make the same vest as the one we made with the skull. So it'll be exactly the same, except, you know, different color and different pattern in the front. That's pretty much it. So yeah, let's start working on that. But first, let me get some coffee and then we'll start working on this. This is my new sitting studio where I'll be recording. It is very dark in Colorado and it's pretty gross outside. Let me show you. So that's why I look so warm.
Ew! That is disgusting!
This is how I start my everyday morning routine, with some coffee and my favorite creamer. After taking that first sip, I feel awake and ready to crochet. Then I get all my supplies ready. Oh wait, more coffee. Then I start my crocheting. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe so I can film more things for you. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see. Alright, let's get back to the crocheting. First thing we're going to do is continue our project from last night. I'm going to have my iPad next to me to guide me on each row and pattern itself. Then I'm using my off-white yarn I got from Michaels and neon yellow I bought on Amazon. It's the softest yarn I own. It was a little bit pricey, but it was worth it. Now let's continue working on our front piece of the vest. But first, let me have more coffee! Okay, back to crocheting.
So the iPad just died and I just want to update you really quick of how far I've gotten. So this is what I have so far. You can't really tell right now, but this is her arm. I believe this is also her arm right there. And I'm about to start decreasing from the sides. So it's 25 rows. I think I've done 25 rows, and on my 26th row I'm going to start decreasing from the outside to kind of make the dimples around the vest. So I'm just going to increase, I think, every other row. Just from the sides, you're just going to pull 2 chains together from both sides and then keep going to the other side, pull it together. Then the next row is going to be without any decreases, and then decrease, and then without decreases and decrease. But yeah, so let's keep going. I'm gonna recharge my iPad for now, so I'm gonna make some breakfast for myself, and then we'll continue working on our vest. For breakfast, I'm making some potatoes with zucchini, and then I'll add a tomato later. And then I also made some banana bread that's gonna go in the oven as soon as it preheats, so I'm super excited. Finally charged my iPad, and so let's get back to where we are. I'm just going to mark on the sheet that I stopped decreasing on this row, just so I know for future references if I do end up making it again. And we're going to start decreasing. So we're going to start decreasing from this side. So what I do is, so put your hook through the next loop, like the first loop, and then put your hook straight into the next one. So you have 3 chains on your hook, and you just pull through all 3, and that's your decrease. You just made 2 crochets into 1. So I'll keep going. I'm going to do that to the other side. Don't forget to follow your chart as well. So forget to decrease at the end because remember this is our 25th row. So there's 2 stitches left. So we're gonna pull through 1 stitch, have 2 loops on our hook, and go straight to the next one. Have another loop on our hook, 3 loops, pull through all, and we just did our first row of decreases. So don't forget to mark it down on your iPad or you know, the paper that you have, and then just keep going. So I'm gonna keep going and then see how it goes. I'm gonna decrease every other row from the side so it won't be that dramatic. So let's keep going. I accidentally spilled my coffee on the floor, which happens every day. So I'm making a little bit more coffee for myself. So the iPad died again, so I just want to do a real quick update to kind of show you how far I've gotten. So this is, we're coming up on her hand, kind of resting on her face, right here, right here. And that's just like her shoulders right here, and just, yeah, this is her other arm. But yeah, it's coming up. I think I only have a few more rows, and I'm already decreasing every other side on this side. And I don't know if I said, but it's 12:30. So yeah, let's charge the iPad a little bit more, and then hopefully we can finish this soon. Okay, it is 2:10, and I just finished the front piece of the vest. It looks amazing. I'm really liking it. Can you guys see the face? Awesome. So I was thinking of doing a back piece, also a different figure like I showed you, but then I was thinking, why don't I do 2 vests, kind of matching like BFFs would wear like outside or something like that. So I think I'm just gonna do a plain background on the back, just the same texture but just plain. Maybe I'll do a stripe or something in off yellow, just to kind of, I don't know, add a little bit to it. So yeah, so we finished this. So now let's start working on the back piece and then attach them together and then start wearing it.
Welcome to day 2. Let's start working on our back piece. We're gonna start again just like we did our front piece with 71 chain, and then we're gonna do the double single crochet repeat pattern back and forth. I will be doing the yellow stripes on the back, so that will be a little bit fun, and it should go by fairly quickly because we don't need a chart for this. You're just going back and forth in the same pattern. Remember to decrease when you hit that row, and do use the stitch markers to help you.
Okay, so I just finished the 24 rows and I put my stitch markers on the 24th row. So now we're gonna start decreasing. So this is 71 chains. So we're gonna decrease every other row from each side until we have 49 chains left, and then we'll mark the middle, and then we'll start decreasing from the straps, kind of like the other piece. So yeah, let's keep going, and then should be easy because we're just using one color and fairly quick.
Hey, does anybody want coffee? Who wants coffee? I just made a fresh pot of coffee. Does anybody want coffee?
So I just finished decreasing on both sides, and so I did I decreased every other row until I had, actually I said 49, but it's actually 47 chains, and this is a 24th chain, which is the middle, and so I have 23 on this side and 23 on this side. So now we're just going to decrease from the middle every row for 14 rows. So you should have your strap only 9 chains on each side, and then we'll attach it with needle, and then we'll be able to wear it. So I finished the back piece, and so that looks so funny. It looks like one of those I don't know what they call it, highway workers. They have those stripes on them. Anyway, I finished the back piece, and now we're gonna use a yarn needle and attach the front, and then all the way from chain 24 and down, row 24 and down to the front piece. So let's do that, and then tie in the ends, and then we should be done. So you attach it like this, and then I flip it over, and it's good. Yeah. Okay. Yarn needle, and I left the long strand, well, long enough for me to attach both sides. And if you remember our last method, what we're doing is we're attaching it from back loops. So, do that. This should be fairly quick because you only have 9 chains. Yay! So we finished the vest. Not quite yet, we still have to tie in the ends, and then I probably will do ribbing, but let's try it on really quick. Ow. Looks so good. Wow. So I'm thinking if I should do ribbing, go yellow line everywhere, or maybe I'll just do, I can't decide what type of ribbing I want to do, but I love it. I love the length of it as well. It's perfect. Yeah, let me think what I want to do for ribbing really quick. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna leave the front just like that, but then I'm gonna go around with yellow single crochet probably, or double single, and then do another off-white, and then do yellow in the bottom and then an off-white, just like one row, maybe just single crochet, yeah. But leave this like that because I kind of like it like that. And so yeah, let's do that and then we should be done. Okay, I finished the vest and I liked how this turned out. I also did it at the bottom as well. This is oversized, medium to large, I would say. It fits perfectly, it's loose. Yeah, it looks great with, on top of a dress, a skirt, jeans, whatever. I'm gonna do a few outfit shots tomorrow and then post the video. Here's the final look. I can't really decide if I want to be done with it or maybe keep going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.